either Nova students who have transferred to George Mason or are preparing to transfer to George Mason. We started a club long ago, and we like to go to hackathons and compete and create cool projects. So for this hackathon, we created a virtual reality experience, a kind of lecture. So if you want to take a look. We realized that virtual reality has immense potential to enhance learning, to visualize complex information, to show you complex relationships and other types of things. So in this case, we created a multivariable calculus lecture.
So during this lecture, you can watch the lecture describing the problem, how to find the volume of some region between intersected planes and paraboloid. So it's a pretty complicated graph. So in VR you can rotate it, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can look at it from different sides, and it just calculates. It also can be applicable for astronomy, for geology, so it's pretty cool, powerful for studying.
Well, so for what's amazing about this lecture though is that we timed our animation so that the graphs could rotate and everything based on the length of the video.
Ideally, we created we used photogrammetry software to create a 3D model of our professor, and we would have liked to animate his face and have his actual three-dimensional head giving the lecture, but we didn't have enough time to do such a thing.
So virtual reality is actually the final frontier in a lot of things, but to us it's the starting point to amazing educational experiences. Not only is the student immersed inside their own educational experience, but they get to have fun. What's more engaging than being straight into the lecture where everyone has a chance at learning?